Hello, good day, and you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you are just tuning in, just seeing this video from Sweet Mother Entertainment channel for the first time, consider subscribing. You are welcome, highly welcome. Today we are going to be talking about animals in Yoruba language. The first animal I'll be talking about is lion. I'm taking lion as the first because it's believed to be the kings of animals. Lion is Kiniún in Yoruba. The second animal is leopard. Leopard in Yoruba is Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. The third animal is elephant. Elephant is ERIN. ERIN. The fourth animal is wolf. Wolf in Yoruba is Ìkookò. Ìkookò. Another animal I'll be talking about is crocodile. Crocodile in Yoruba is Ọ̀ọ̀nì. Ọ̀ọ̀nì, not Ọ̀ọ̀nì o. Ọ̀ọ̀nì. Ọ̀ọ̀nì. Dodo. Ọ̀ọ̀nì. The other animal I'll be talking about is cat. Cat in Yoruba is Olóńgbò or Olóńgìní. Then another animal is turtle. Turtle in Yoruba is Ahun Odò. Ahun Odò. Another animal I'll be talking about is wall gecko. Wall gecko. Wall gecko in Yoruba is OMOONÍLÉ or OMOONÍLÉ. Another one I'll be talking about is spider. Spider in Yoruba is Aláǹtakùn. Another one I'll be talking about is lizard. Lizard in Yoruba is Aláǹgbá. Aláǹgbá. Another one is earthworm. Earthworm in Yoruba is Ekòló. Ekòló. Another one is turkey. Turkey in Yoruba is Tòlótòló. Camel. Camel in Yoruba is Ràkúnmí. Ràkúnmí. Then dove. Dove in Yoruba is Àdàbà. Àdàbà. Then we have peacock. Peacock in Yoruba is Ọ̀kín. It's believed to be the most beautiful of all the birds. Is peacock. Peacock is Ọ̀kín. Then ostrich. Ostrich in Yoruba is Ògòǹgò. Ògòǹgò. Then cobra. Cobra is Ọ̀ká. Ọ̀ká. Then snake. Snake is Ejò. Then scorpion. Scorpion is Àkekèé. Àkekèé. Snail. Snail in Yoruba is Ìgbín. Then horse. Horse. Horse is Ẹṣin. Ẹṣin. Then chameleon. Chameleon in Yoruba is Ogà. Ogà. Then fish. Fish in Yoruba is Ẹja. Ẹja. Then the last one is monkey. Monkey is Ọ̀bọ. Ọ̀bọ. Do let me know if you have any animal you want me to translate for you in Yoruba in the comment section. I will gladly do. Thank you. Bye for now.